Okay students, so here we are with the report writing. In report writing students, I will be explaining you the 3 topics, okay, which are of major use in your school life, okay, what you will be getting to write about in your question papers. First is the about a special event, the second is the newspaper report, and third is a report for the school magazine. Okay students, these 3 are being introduced over here in a briefly manner. Just try to understand. Now pay attention to these points. First one is divide your text into introduction, main part and ending. These are the 3 parts of your report writing. Introduction, main part and ending. In introduction, what are the major points to remember in introduction? Introduction must be short. Here you will be explaining what, where, when and who. Okay, these questions are answered in the introduction section. What means kind of event? What kind of event are you writing about? Where it was organized? When it took place? And who was there? Who all people were present there? This should be written in the introduction section, but in a short way. The main part will be longer one. Always write the main part into a longer one. Description of the event. You will be describing it, the whole event, what all happened over there. Important informations. Correct order of events. Okay, correct order of events are very important when you are writing about a special event. You can't say that the guest came at the last. Always the guest will be coming at the first and you will be introducing them. A speech will be delivered over there. These all things you should be making in a proper manner. Now the ending should be definitely short one. That will be the final statement. In 1 to 2 lines you will be summing up the report. Likewise the 3 sections are being cleared over here. Now number 2, the main point of number 2, write from your point of view. Don't think about others. What others will be doing, what others are thinking, that is not your concern. Your concern is your point of view. In in introduction, what you will do, on the last day, like this is the, you can say an example I am giving. How you will be writing if there is a report to be written. Okay, in introduction you will write, on the last day of school, we visited with the class teacher the local zoo. Okay, this is the introduction part. Main part will consist of, it was dark in the snake's house. I was a bit scared. Suddenly, what happened? What happened over there? It will be in the main part. The ending. Our teacher gave everyone an ice cream from her side. This is the happy ending of a zoo visit, isn't it? So, you will be writing likewise. Your report should be in this sequence. Now, in number 3, you can see, write about everything that was important. Don't miss any of the point. Write about your feelings. Feelings mean, in a zoo, when you visit to a zoo, there is fear, there is anger, sadness, shame. Shame about what, students? Tell me, what about shame you will be feeling in a zoo? Suppose you are teasing an animal. It is a matter of shame. If you are throwing stones at animals, matter of shame. Likewise, if you are not giving nuts to the monkeys and teasing them, this is also a shameful act. So, write about your feelings. Use strong verbs. Don't use I was walking, I was running. You always use I was stumbling. Okay, why? Because it is a shaky one. You are relaxed mood in a zoo, not in a hurry. Use adjectives to describe something exactly. Like the green chameleon. Okay, the green chameleon. It will be rectifying its species. Okay, now highlight what was special about your experience. In this you can write some event. What happened? Suddenly the little animal was sitting on my shoulder. Think, you saw a green chameleon over there, and suddenly the green chameleon which you left behind came and sat on the shoulder. So you are very scared. That is an expression which added more and more expression to your report. Use verbs in simple past. You should be always remembering these. Use verbs in simple past because this is an activity which has happened in the past. It is not present. You are not going to visit a zoo. You have visited a zoo. Na? So last week, write like this. Last week we went to Patna Zoo, like that. The exotic animals looked at me. Okay. This was the best ice cream ever. See here, student. Here I had given you the description, and in this way you will be concluding, and in this way you will be concluding your report in a very brief manner. And most important is, don't forget the heading. The heading should be bold and clear. Okay, don't forget to write the heading, which is the main part of the report writing. Okay, hope you understood this one.